Hi children, welcome all of you today also for my English lesson. So this is my Amil Academy Educational YouTube channel. Okay, so I again say to you all to subscribe my channel. So whatever video if I put into the internet immediately you can have it. So enjoy these videos. So as in the meeting we got the message of our principal madam, so madam said to continue videos need to that get the experience of network learning and do the assignments, and I proud of the students who are touching these things and who are doing weekly network assignments, right? So I also ask other all the students to that engage with this network assignments, all right? So these lessons for grade 5 English lessons who are that practicing the subject to write primary certificate, which is organized by the Association of International School in Sri Lanka, right? So last week I taught you the simple present tense. Today I am going to teach you the simple past tense. Okay children, simple past tense today lesson is, right? So yesterday, the day before, last week, last year, last month, in 1996, it is a past year, right? On my last birthday. So these things what we call past time indicating words. Past time indicating words, right? So children, if you read a sentence which is written in past tense, you can observe there is a past time indicating word is there. Past time indicating word is there. The past time showing word is there, right? So children, in a past tense sentence, that past time showing word is very specific, important, right? So in simple past tense, you need to talk about whatever the actions you did in the past. Whatever the actions you did in the past, you need to talk about, right? So other than that, you can say the statements which is related to the past time. You can say the statements. You can give statements using the simple past tense. But remember, you need to that give the statements which is very related to the past time. Okay, children. So there should be a person. If you are doing an actions, if you are giving an statement, or you are saying something about a person, if you are talking about an actions, there should be a person, doer. So this doer or the persons we call subject of the sentence. Then that verb is very important. The verb is very important because which is showing the time. So remember, in the past tense, that past time indicating, that means showing verb is very important, right? So last week also you learned about the basic form of the verb. The basic form of the verb. So for this basic form, if we that add a helping verb, we can make it as past tense, singular form, plural form. Right children? So the basic form of verbs are play, play plus did, played. Eat plus did, ate. Give plus did, gave. Organize plus did, organized. So children, for the basic form of the verb, if we add did, did help in verb, we can make that past verb. We can make a past tense. So you know what are the past tense of some verbs? Eat, ate. Drink, drank. Give, gave. Play, played. Right? So play, play. Played means P-L-A-Y-E-D. So played, that means this played past time verb made how? Play, basic form of the verb, plus did. Another example, eat, eat. That is the basic form of the verb. Eat plus did. What is the past form of the verb? Ate, ate, ate. Then the basic form of the verb give, give. Give plus did. What is the past form of the give? Gave, gave. Right? So children, read magazines, read articles of the newspapers, and daily study the new verbs and their past form and the third form also. If you learn, no, that is very good, right? Okay, children. So let's talk. Yesterday you did an actions. What is that? Playing cricket. You did an actions yesterday evening. That is the actions you did yesterday evening. So let's give it using the simple past tense. I played cricket yesterday evening. I played cricket yesterday evening. So I is the doer. I is the subject. Played, P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played is the past verb. Past verb. What is the object? Cricket. What is the time indicating word? Time indicating word or time showing word? That is yesterday evening, right? So what is the sentence patterns? Subject, past verb, object, and other information given words with the special time indicating past word, right? Last month we went to Anuradhapura. Last month we went to Anuradhapura. He made a very tasty milk rice last week. She bought a new computer 2 months ago. Before my mother came, I did another homework. I did another homework. That is a long sentence, right? So what is the sentence pattern? Subject, past verb, object, and extra information words with the past time indicating word, right? Another example. Last week, our class teacher did a science lesson. They bought a bicycle last month. I organized my birthday party last Friday. She gave me a new book yesterday. I talked with a new friend yesterday evening. So these are examples for the past tense. In all these sentences, there is an action which is which happened, which finished, which finished in a specific past time, right? So what are the example which are that we say which we use as statements but which are very related to the past time? He was a farmer last year, but now uh, he is a clerk. Last year he was in grade 9. Last year he was in grade 9. So last year he was in grade 9. So was is the past verb. He was in grade 9 last year. So last year, not now. Then if we talk, we were grade 10 students last year. We were grade 10 students last year. So we were grade 10 students last year, not now. Now we are in grade 11. So it is past. So in the past year we were in grade 10 or we were grade 10 students. So we were grade 10 students. He was in grade 9. He was a farmer last year. So these are example for the past sentences, simple past sentences, but in those sentences there is not an actions happen. It is saying, it is a statement. Okay, children. So using the simple present tense, we can talk about the statements, we can talk about actions, but all need to be, all have finished, all finished in a specific time. Okay, children, right? So let's go to the negative form of the past tense. So when we make the past time verb to the basic form of the verb, you add did. So if you separate did, that there is a helping verb, and for this did, if you add not, you can make the negative sentence in the simple past tense. So I ate milk rice yesterday. I ate milk rice yesterday. So ate is the single verb, single past time verb. So this ate, I earlier said how to make, this ate. Ate equals eat plus did. Then how to make the negative sentence? I did not, I did not eat milk rice yesterday. I did not eat milk rice yesterday. So what is the short form of the did not? Didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T, didn't. I didn't eat milk rice yesterday. Or you can say, I did not eat milk rice yesterday. So here I show the past, simple past tense positive sentences, and here I use the negative form. We bought a new bicycle yesterday. We bought a new bicycle yesterday. We did not buy a new bicycle yesterday. My mother made milk rice today morning. My mother did not make milk rice today morning. He was a farmer last year. He was not a farmer last year. They were in grade 11 2 years ago. They were not in grade 11 2 years ago. So I here talk about some positive actions of in past tense sentences, also statements, and here I made them negative. So you realize, I think, children. So we need to make questions using the past tense, simple past tense. Remember, in simple past tense, what is the helping verb? We should use did. So take did front of the sentence. And if you take didn't, the short form, to the front of the sentence, you can make the negative questions form, right? Did you play cricket yesterday with your friends? Did your father come home yesterday? Did your friends do homework last week? So here, did your friends is the subject, did is the past indicating helping verb. Here the your friends is the subject, then do is the basic form of the verb, and homework is the object, right? And the yesterday was the time indicating word, right? So did your friends do homework yesterday, right? So this is the question form. So in the statement of past tense, there is the helping verb was and were. If you take those things to the front of the sentence, you can make questions. Was he a farmer last year? Were they grade 10 students 2 years ago? Right? Sri Lanka won the World Cup in 1996. Sri Lankan cricket team won the World Cup in 1996. So like these sentences we call simple past tense sentences. Again, as a summary, that I that give some affirmative or the positive sentences for the simple past tense, then I make them negative, then I make them questions also, right? You played cricket yesterday. You played cricket yesterday. You did not play cricket yesterday. Did you play cricket yesterday? Didn't you play cricket yesterday? So I make the positive, then negative, then positive question, and then negative question. So let's go to she made milk rice last week. She made milk rice last week. That is the positive sentence. She did not or didn't make milk rice last week. Did she make milk rice last week? Didn't she make milk rice last week? So remember, for the positive I use the past verb, but in negative and question form I use the basic form of the verb. Here listen very carefully. My mother bought me a bicycle last month. My mother bought me a bicycle last month. That is positive. Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought, the past tense. Right? What is the negative? My mother did not buy a bicycle for me last month. Did not buy. Here I use the basic form in the negative. B-U-Y, buy. Here did not show in the past, right? In the questions, did your mother or did my mother buy a bicycle for me last month? Here also in the questions form, I use buy, B-U-Y. Didn't your mother or my mother buy a bicycle for me last month? So children very clearly understand, in the negative form, in the positive questions form, in the negative questions form, you are using did past time helping verb. So always remember to use the basic form of the verb, right children? But in the positive sentences, you are using the very specific single past verb. Then you are not using basic form. Another example, we played cricket yesterday. We played, P-L-A-Y-E-D. We played cricket yesterday. What is the negative form? We did not play. Here I use P-L-A-Y. We did not play cricket yesterday evening. So children, very simple, very easy. I think you realize subject, past, verb, then extra information given words, and past time indicating word, right? So children, in the past tense you need to talk about the actions you did in a very specific past time. So yesterday, 2 days ago, last month, last night, last year, in the previous year, last birthday. So these are past time showing words. With these past time showing words, you need to talk about the finished actions. Then you can talk about past tense. Remember children, easily you will that use this simple past tense, but our children as small kids in grade 5, that you will that mistake, you will that get it as mistake, that when you talk about the negative and questions form, remember in the negative and in the questions form we use the basic verb, basic form of the verb, because we use did. Did is the specific past indicating or the showing word, right? And positive, to talk about positive sentence, daily study five new verbs using the whatever the dictionaries online or offline or dictionaries, you can, or special books, magazines, study 5 special verbs and their past form and the past participle form also. So then you can ask the that students who are learning English as a second language, you can nicely that use these new verbs to talk about. So that blast your afraidness, some mistake will be created, as teachers, we also that teach in the teaching English as a second language, we will create a lot of mistakes, but we should go forward, we should go forward, we should improve ourselves. You also need to improve yourselves, so daily come to the track of the this education. Don't that stop your education, and don't be lazy. Whatever that epidemic or whatever case happen in this world, you need to update your everything, especially education. Then you can go forward, you can be very bright in the world. So I like to finish my lesson for today. So we will that you can I will meet you again. I will see you again with another English new lessons. So for this week, that I will send the assignments, network assignments through WhatsApp. I think you will that do those things. Okay, children, live happily and do the work happily. And bye for now.